What if you could have a 5-star hotel and a heavy-duty tank in a single vehicle? This is the Shanghai Cannon Hi4-T, the hybrid motorhome that finally says you can have it all. Look at this stance. It's wide, it's aggressive, and it's purpose-built. GWM didn't just bolt a box on a truck. They integrated a sleek, lightweight living pod that actually improves aerodynamics. We've got high-clearance bumpers, heavy-duty recovery points, and a snorkel because, well, we're going deep. Stepping inside the Shanghai Cannon, the transition from rugged explorer to luxury sanctuary is immediate. The cabin is a masterclass in ergonomics, wrapped in soft-touch materials and high-definition displays that put total control at your fingertips. Moving into the living area, you'll notice how every inch of space is utilized with purpose. The integrated kitchenette features a high-efficiency induction cooktop and deep basin sink, allowing for gourmet meal prep even in the most remote locations. Storage is equally impressive. The dampened cabinetry ensures a rattle-free journey, no matter how rough the terrain gets. Then, there's the wet-dry separated bathroom, a true game-changer for long-haul expeditions, offering a level of hygiene and comfort rarely seen in this segment. Finally, we reach the sleeping quarters. This expansive main bed is framed by panoramic windows, turning the great outdoors into your own private gallery. With world-class sound insulation, the world outside goes silent, leaving you in a climate-controlled haven to recharge for tomorrow's adventure. Here's the magic sauce, the Hi4-T system. It's a 2.0T engine paired with a high-torque electric motor. But for us campers, the real win is the battery. You can run the AC, the fridge, and your gear all night in total silence. No generator noise, no fumes, just pure, quiet power from the battery bank. It's a game changer for off-grid stealth camping. Now, let's talk about where the Shanghai Cannon truly separates itself from the pack, its relentless off-road capability. When the pavement ends, the adventure begins. And this machine is engineered to dominate the most unforgiving environments. At its core is a professional-grade 4WD system, featuring electronically controlled front and rear differential locks. Whether you're navigating deep mud or crawling over jagged rocks, the power is delivered exactly where it's needed most. You're not just driving, you're commanding a vehicle that refuses to back down. The approach and departure angles have been optimized for extreme terrain, complemented by a high-clearance suspension that absorbs impacts with ease. But it's the intelligent terrain management system that truly shines. With multiple dedicated modes, including sand, mud, and rock, the Shanghai Cannon recalibrates its throttle response and traction control in real time, ensuring you maintain momentum no matter what's under your tires. Wading through water? Not a problem. The elevated air intake and sealed electrical components give you the confidence to cross streams and flooded trails that would stop others in their tracks. It's this combination of brute strength and smart technology that gives you the ultimate peace of mind. From the reinforced underbody shielding to the heavy-duty recovery points, every detail has been built for durability. The Shanghai Cannon doesn't just take you to the destination, it ensures you own the journey, no matter how wild the path becomes. So, is it worth it? If you want to explore without limits and camp without compromises, the answer is a massive yes. I'm Ava. Where should I take this beast next? Drop a comment, and I'll see you in the wild.